Well, we've had battery problems all week. And I've had it on a trickle charger since yesterday just to give it, I don't know, we'll see something. And it didn't want to start yesterday, so I guess we'll try and start it right now and see if anything happens. But yeah, we took it to Cars and Coffee last Saturday. Last Saturday, not this Saturday. Today's now Monday. And it hasn't been started all week. I think I'm out of gas. Weird. Fuel pump's awfully noisy. Got nothing. How weird is that? What in the world? What in the world? It's like there's no spark or something. All right. Well, to be continued, I guess. Let me figure out what's going on here. Okay. So I really don't know what it was. The only thing I can think of is being hooked up to the trickle charger still while it's trying to crank over. It was putting too much power to the fuel pump. That's why I was making so much noise, because I got plenty of gas. So I disconnected the trickle charger, pumped it a few times. I actually noticed that I had some residue around these, so I tightened that bolt, the nut, make sure to see if it maybe it was just like blow by, and it cranked over and started up, and I run it down to block. So I just went to go get myself some breakfast, come back, let's see if it starts up again. See if the battery retained enough juice. Yeah, see, because the fuel pump ain't that loud now, see? Oh, I didn't even have to pump the gas. Oh, yeah. And I wonder if tightening up those little nuts there makes any difference on the flat spot or not. I don't know. We shall see. So I got to put the air cleaner back on and the deck lid back on. Thank God for them quick release pins, man. I love that stuff. Look at that cam make her bounce. I think I need to take the plugs out and clean the plugs again. Fuel monster. All right, we'll be back. Well, I double checked all the wires. Everything is tight. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my deck lid back on. Or first put the air cleaner back together. Make sure it starts. And try to go get gas because the sky is darkening. And I don't have no wipers. Tires are old. We're going to try and go get gas before this comes in. Let's make sure the sucker starts back up again. All right, all button back up. we're gonna go. Oh, I still haven't checked to see if it started yet. We'll check. The clouds is coming. The clouds is coming. Oh, yeah. Nope. Oh, I have to pump it. Well, it started up here. It means I have faith it'll start up at the gas station. I'm gonna go get gas. Still going. Not empty, but it took 7.5 gallons. All right, 7.5 gallons. Start right back up. Good job, good job. Them clouds is coming, folks. I'm just gonna go for a little ride. We'll see you back at the house in probably just a second. Okay, well, I pulled up to get a drink. I don't know why I didn't pull the car all the way into the garage. I came in to get a drink. This is what I used to basically charge the battery up for a day and a half. My friend Steve Davis from the club gave this to me. It's a Vector. He got it in some big electronics auction that had a bunch of stuff in it. 6 to 12 volt trickle charger. And it seemed to do the job. Yes, my battery is good. It just right at the edge, I guess, you know. So, like I said, I don't know why I didn't pull it all the way in. You'll see here in just a second. Well, it just started to sprinkling out. Well, it's still kind of sprinkling. But that's the first bit of water that car has seen in 3 years. At least the time I've had it, it's never seen water. I've only wiped it down with a damp cloth. And then we buffed it out. It's never seen water. But that's the weekly update with the bug. So we got it back running, and we should be able to take it to Cars and Coffee on Saturday again. I'm going to be putting in my order today for the new latch. Since you can't get that part, I'm going to have to buy the whole latch. Yeah, fun stuff. I'm going to get this sucker in the garage, folks. Y'all have a great week. Yeah, enjoy that week, because I'm going to enjoy this coolness as long as we can. Peace.